bump it up. And the duck rolled up to the lemonade stand. Then he said to the man, run, son. Hey, duck, duck, duck. Got a grapes? All right, so check it out, y'all. We're on page 34. Y'all can't see my page number. Page 34, brought your packet. Then I have page 35 right beside it. Okay? Put your papers just like this, y'all. Back to back. Okay, I'm going to raise my camera. I got that song in my head, Brian. Oh. You know that you're addicted to that song when, like, you're listening to it in the car, but your kids aren't in the car. And they went all the way, waddle, to the very next day. All right, check it out. Page 34 and page 35, I got them back to back. Hey, what do I know about both titles?
They just say
they're both entitled This Is Just to Say. So let's put quotes around that. This is just to say. I wrote this one over here. This one's by William Carlos Williams, and I mimicked his. Okay? Without reading a single word, how many stanzas do I have, y'all? 3. 1, 2, 3. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So all together, I'm going to have 12 lines. Okay? That makes sense? Okay? How many in each stanza, y'all? 4. So 4 line stanzas. 4 line stanzas. Okay? I know that seems silly to write that down, but it'll come handy just to say. Okay? This is just to say. All right, so check it out. Let's look at the William Carlos Williams version. What I'll do, Brent will take stanza 1, Tristan's going to take stanza 2, Blake's going to take stanza 3, okay? This is just to say. Take it away, Brian. No. This one. This is just to say. William Carlos Williams.
I have the songs that were in the icebox.
Okay, so somebody will say them plums in the icebox, and this person ate them, and he's apologizing. Do you really feel like he's sorry?
No.
No, because he said, forgive me. They were delicious, so sweet, so cold. It's almost kind of like, oh, dude, sorry, bro. They were gone. They were so good, though. Okay, I don't feel like they're apologizing, but they're not really what? They're not really apologizing. Look at this version over here that I wrote, okay? Again, I noticed, how many stanzas do I have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, how many lines do I have total? 12. Which means I got 4 in each one. Okay? So this is my apology right here. What we'll do, Aaliyah will take stanza 1, Beth will take stanza 2, and we'll let Zach take stanza 3. Okay? Aaliyah, take it away. This is just to say. You skipped on, boo. They called my name. Beckon. Yeah. What does this person eat? The leftover steak. Okay, are they sorry at all? Not really. I ate the leftover steak that was in the fridge last night. I ate it cold, raw, with hunger. It called my name, beckoned me, urged my son we devour it without regret. You have no leftovers, finders, keepers. You're not a loser, but feel free to eat. Dang, this one's a little bit colder, isn't it? Are they sorry?
No.
I mean, they're apologizing, but are they really sorry?
No.
Have you ever done something and, like, you got caught, you had to apologize, and you're like, sorry, you're not really sorry? Y'all done that? I think we've all been there. Where it's like, sorry, not sorry. It's, like that. I'm going to embarrass my kids, but the other day, like, Noah, snapped to me. I was like, excuse me, what did you say to me? He's like, sorry. I'm like, ah. It's kind of like, if you're not sorry, should you apologize? So sometimes when it's like using dirty and you're not really sorry, it's like just as bad sometimes, just bad because until you don't mean. Guess what we're not going to do today? We're going to apologize, but we're not going to mean it. Does that make sense?
Not
We're gonna apologize and we're gonna say we're sorry, but we're not gonna mean it. Okay? So right here on page 35, y'all, what we're gonna do. Let me drop this over. Out of the way. I can move this out of the way. On 35, real quick. What I want you to do: take a pen and pencil, and we're gonna write right here on the side. Sorry, not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Oh, come on, y'all, baby, I'm sorry. There you go, baby, I'm sorry. Got to be louder. Come on, baby, I'm sorry. Y'all lost momentum there. All right, so sorry, not sorry. So what I want you to do right quick, this is your personal list. Nobody's going to see your list except you. This is, y'all going to see my list, but, I'm not sorry. Okay, I'm not sorry. Okay, so this is my list of things that I'm going to make a list of 5 real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I want you to do is think about the last week, or maybe the last month, or maybe the past year, and come up with 5 things you did that you're not really sorry for doing. Okay, that you probably shouldn't have done. You're not sorry. So, for example, me the other night, I ate the last of the ice cream. And Levi went to the freezer, and he looked, and he said, "Who ate the last of the ice cream?" And I'm sitting there going, "Right here, bro." And he was like, "Ugh," and I was like, "Sorry." Was I really sorry? No, I was not. I was like, "Bro, oops, I did it again. Ate the ice cream, and you did. Ah, ha, ha, ha." Okay, so I ate the last of the ice cream, okay? The other day, Levi, this must be pick on Levi Day. I watched Kong Skull Island, okay? Have y'all seen that movie?
No,
Well, I'm not gonna fool with you. Oh my God, if you haven't watched it, whoa, it's awesome. Like, oh my God, it's on HBO Max right now, and I've been wanting to see it. And we both like, let's watch together, let's watch together, let's watch together. I'm like, okay. And every time I wanted to watch it, he was like, I don't want to watch it right now. And I'm like, finally, after asking him for 2 months, guess what I did? I watched it. He's mad at me now because I watched it without. But guess what? Oops. Sorry, it's an awesome movie, by the way. Kong Skull Island. Check it on HBO. This video is not brought to you by Kong Skull Island. Don't worry. Let's see. What else have I done lately that I'm not sorry about? Let's see here. What am I not sorry for? I ate. I think everything on my list revolves around food. Ate the last of the potato chips. I like those kettle cooked chips. Have y'all ever had kettle cooked chips? Like what they give you at Panera? They're really good. Christian likes them too. I finished off the bag the other day. He was like, "Where's the kettle cooked chips?" And I was like, "Oops, sorry, bro." Was I sorry? Sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. Okay, I'm not sorry. What else have I done lately that I'm not sorry for? You know what? I'm gonna embarrass my wife. My wife says sometimes I snore. Calvin, yeah. Oops, I got my sleep in, right? Not my fault. She's gonna watch this video and be like, "What?" I come to school like with the black eye and everything. You don't know what now. I'm just playing. All right, so I snore. Now that being said, I am sorry that I snored, but at the same time, I was getting my good sleep in. So, oops, not sorry. Do I? I'm not really sure what you said. Oh yeah. Yes. It was. Get back to snore. If I really was snoring, believe me, my wife she'll poke me and she'll roll me over and be like, roll over. Like, yes, ma'am. All right. So, you know what? I made Lydia disappear, and I'm not sorry. Lydia, are you here? Oh, Lydia's not here. I made Lydia disappear. That's just you guys watching this video going over your heads. But I made Lydia disappear in class today. It was amazing. I'm a magician. call me
Magic Beanstalk.
the Magic Beanstalk. There we go. All right, so these are 5 things I've done lately that I'm not really sorry for doing. Okay. All right, does that make sense? So, like, it could be like, hey, your mom asked you to clean your room up, but you kept playing Fortnite, and then you got the victory, and you're like, you boy, you can be like, sorry, but hey, you just got the new Fortnite skin, so you're not sorry. Or maybe like your dad was like, hey, you need to come inside and clean your room, but you're outside shooting basketball, and then in the game today you're gonna score 25. Brent, no pressure. You're not really sorry about that, right? Does that make sense? That makes sense? Ooh, you okay? All right, cool. So, check this out. You have your motivation now. You have your motivation for your art. So, what I want you to do is grab me a fresh slice of paper. I'm going to grab me a fresh slice. And this one, we're going to have to fold hot dog style. Not hamburger style, but hot dog style. Sorry for all you hamburger people out there. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Hot dog, our problem solved. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Do. Take your paper, y'all, and fold it hot dog style. Here we go. All right. Hot dog. There, now fold hot dog style. If you're folding your paper at home and you're not listening to the hot dog song when you fold it hot dog style, you're doing it wrong, okay? All right, so I fold my paper hot dog style. I'm going to open that bad boy back up, you boy. And at the very top, guess what I'm going to write? Yes. We're making a video right now, and people at home are going to be like, what is wrong with them? That's all right. So, check this out. Ooh, this video only has like a minute and a half left. So real quick, I'm going to write my name. Michael Angelo. Come in. Hello. You can head on over. All right. So today is March 9th, 21. All right. So guess what I'm going to title my poems? Come on now. What'd you say, Beth? This is just to say. So here we go. This is just to say. This is just to say. All right, so I'm going to have 2 poems called This Is Just to Say, okay? I'm going to put quotes around the title, so I know that's my title. You're going to apologize for something, but you're not really going to apologize for it, because remember, we're sorry, we're not sorry, okay? The big thing is, though, your stanzas. Look up here, y'all. You're going to have 3 stanzas with 12 lines altogether, 4 lines in each stanza. Does that make sense? You're apologizing for something, but you're not really what? You're not really apologizing. You're not sorry for what you did. Okay? It's sorry, not sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I thought for sure it'd take off that time, but my bad. All right, so that's the big thing. You guys watch at home, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Use this list. Pick 2 things off this list to inspire your poetry. Okay? All right. Pretty much what you're sorry for and why you're not really sorry. Okay? Got any questions? Send me an email. Peace out.